no onye papa bia
ye betwe na akọ yoku
na bibi no
court sembe
muti no
esa na yakọ
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de Ghana Nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe we be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be we be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Etianu no sa niam we won so no so contract niam bebre on so de man na wa anyanti no se bibio be on the wo fa we no afari hospital no when do car no wo bibia wo ye bibia de NDC for next omo aso no ne yira for mo tototo do ska akokodi om honje ska ketwa eniam contract akọ no honya de ketwa etimema mo ngeje ne so so be sign people na obesewe wono onye ni papa bia no
ye betwe na akọ yoku
na bibi no
court sembe
muti no
esa na yakọ
ya consider se de se do ye die asa me boa me nuamo June July meba adwuma mebe mba be ya boa mo that is no bo ba that is no bo onye ni pa bia asa mu gigi ne so ekwa bia de oye bia so no so ko gira mra nim no mo fa ne ko gira ho ne UP plus aye support those cause on there sa akwa ehunu so enipa boni ni number 1 eto onye obi a ese waba ba o ya ni pipi ye ni so mutimi ma ada kan hu do base baba on fa base mo Ghana ni bia ni da research ko agenda ko so enhihye pa ko so no na kan individual de o musa beka apart from no bibia ko so ye etinya wo kana Japan na ba beka ho ada na nka ba ko no na anu de Lucia no nka ho wo ka ho de na ade ba mu wuntimi me ehu etuma mamu ngegi sa akwa we so onye obia wo pe no pe sympathy efi NDC wonti no obo sa atwene we no e bad drum no obom no tuma man NDC for ngegi e ba NDC for no bia de na start and as move so manya ni papa de aba fie wo ba beto mo na wo fie akwa onye papa bia me mamu ngegi manim ngegi we eti da me da me ka che owura kana Japan ni say sa adwene ne wori timi ye hu ba bi ofiba ene ba bi okọ bi obi no akọfa China for do ma ba try ai kimpiska no patutu wo pe mo do ma fa ngura bi mu otumaze o pe ngura bi woni China ni taking peace ku ya de o woni ne kwa hi China for
business man
business to which business me mo bi entertain sex person wo tete obi de obi akomo obi no wie ne nsa kan percentage a wo wie wo abontiam wase wudi no obi na otaduane ko no ko choba na otu aduane ka wo de ba better TV so radio so okay me be to wo de MP Samson hi minister so ne ko di bo na otu aka sa nipa we oba begizon na sa mo jeje ne so enko obi aka obi di contract ena nko ne mo yempo so de nipa bo nipa boni nipa o yire no de ade ne ma no won betra bon to expose nipa no efi eno abo tape no ba no empanifo be brebe hwehwemu ehu nipa kra nko de 55 million contract na eko eti NDC for mema mo nyegi sa akwa we so wo mebua NDC na hwehwe ne ye wo mo nya ne ya be yi wo mo afimu biza topics no de wo wetima se me ba na ka brasta issue e ho ne topic e ho na de wetima
Honorable Arr3sted so asem but education there's nothing there's nothing exciting about education. There's nothing exciting.
Rhetorics in our broth work is here.
Honorable Arr3sted so gabuna Dr. Yawadu Chumdiato no NDC aban entimi mfele ye apart from ye ntia we ntie betia school fee di ye betia there's nothing but na aduchum unya ne time no kasa 5 minutes mpo a unse papa na ye nhihye ya na professor ne doctors ne ntina se but no the san nyoma ya ye kan ebi na eba se akra no in fact no the ba ku bi o se gift
okay
talent or the ba ku bi ano ayi approve ya o se ye obi wo ho a o special education here too rough and too raw, and I'm concerned. Her teacher Nibia, you're concerned, but the point is that even when you engage Omukrana, you realize, hey, they are cano or but they are not ready to change. Somebody to say that yes, sanu.
They can't change. Swati. Now, Obin country and Nadia to us. MPP for ATM we say it was somewhat twice or somewhat twice in Nano. 9 year doconutio. 9 years CABA Kaya Ubedos were guaranteed. One of the sectors I could for the managina. One casa do what dance here, education. And crime for Tenasi Amajo Mahama catch almost education win here. Omo de omo nya dokuna, omo ye normal, omo ye okay. Nti nkande haru na Idris so oni policy a enkran schools ni so betimi a kire omo se de ye kenki. After all kenki no ye to. Oko voter say ya akpele wo ho betimi a kire omo se de omo ye akpele. Omo fa gu syllabus no mu. Asantima mu kente wo ho no ma kire omo se de omo ye kente. Oko Eastern region no a kire omo se de omo ye koko. Central region no a kire omo se de omo be ko fishing. A policy. Ye kasa muntie, ye ka at that point in time, munnim no krene wo ho no. Ekuro de eba wo na ho a, wan hwe yi a, udi once na chi a, obebo na wan siesie ekuro no. Yes, Akufo-Addo administration no, mfomoso kakra ho. But we must consider at that point in time nka say hwe na ebe boa generation. Akaya no atum. Ebinum selfish interest. Chamanfo ni tia musi ayi no na aban no adwene ekwan bi so a obetoto nema. Today you are looking for Osayo Edichum class 1 no ye MPP ni the ideology and the knowledge be woni mu bia no MPP. Enya ade mo benya no so da e wo NDC no mu. Ena education no so nya ade be yeye. Haruna Idrisu wa mfahwe ambeka education no ho se dia wo kan no sa pepepe nete. Bibi bia make education no ho e kire se ebe boa nchirima and nchirima no so ama yate ase se nchirima no mbeba no papa no mo take decision de o mama no mo take decision de ama yate ase se education hu hia masa o man na yeti mu no ye man mu na ye ko jitu mu se ye betu boho e wo koku afom e de politanka sisu ukoko community bia community ni nyina e wo bohos 2 koku akrefo mo ho 30 40 do mahama se omafom obetu bohos 40 e the politan 40 akosi omuko afom a mobanya nsua no mobafia mombeko wonsu ho. That was the preaching na ye nyina ya champion vuvuzela ya toaba ene de wutiem education ni hia reform esire mu sei ye ho okwa dawadawa ho nkuto ho na nkoma kire mo mfa ngusela bosu no mu and then they move swap ideas, ideas to reform the education, to restructure the education sector. We say educhum nya want to aso. Educhum onya want to aso politics.
Je na da no. Se mu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e chere Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency on my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow modom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones it really component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many of us say, just and a go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It's a scan of Canada was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on the fund free seniors, most of my comfort. You say, any Ghana for debut. I find a tables net 10 after the Mokikem Makaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nkɔ no ho. Asofo no mo nkɔmɔ no ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Politicians ne nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Market women no nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. 2020 do then you know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibi ni na kasa de se bi ye bibi ya nketenkete ya adwen nketenkete ye bibi ye bi invest square ye nketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. You see anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa and I feel them so much them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi me na me go catch you by the money man say all members come to mutu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey rajon the money mama ko gina say and can form gafun catch up say oh gafun dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafun say okay ne beto aba na ma boom boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
say dey ko ye kra dey menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter now was say council of state member no we former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes. Nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the paneboa.
Or since I am not, listen for the first time. Nam one and quack baby, aquadan, and nam one. Yes. Not just say, what's in Ukraine? Say, state institution, we are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem in
economy no kwa
problem in say, Papa or council of state member or company. To good a year before grab good board bebano no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good et me good kwa manone ano near juma ko bia kwa pam say me supply of good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fakesi dia bra wu yoko say osusi say nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter, this is not a criminal because yoko we a state institution and you fight for the state and not individual, and this is a civil matter already. No what's what fee on my account without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defend na afi the also by us say enye mokura mo da mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na wa my no issue document say we a fugitive. Awo jane. Tango personal attack as if say you office one and you sue any personal agenda and you're so sad.
No Raymond wankasa me matinye mabaye miense bia I don't want to talk about
na me see the mema hu no wo the very soon be hu recordings ebepie
Raymond
very soon be hu recordings are ebepie
Agyegu.
And this state institutions are. Oh, on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my Agyeta.